In the heart of Scottsdale, Arizona, a community was shattered when 31-year-old Allison Feldman was discovered brutally murdered in her home. The case remained unsolved for years, leaving family and friends desperate for answers. Then, in a groundbreaking turn, investigators utilized familial DNA, a method never before used in Arizona, to identify a suspect. This pivotal evidence, however, sparked intense legal debates, challenging its admissibility in court. The Arizona Supreme Court's recent decision to allow this DNA evidence has not only reignited the pursuit of justice for Allison but also set a precedent that could influence countless future cases. In February 2015, 31-year-old Allison Feldman, a vibrant medical sales representative, was found brutally murdered in her Scottsdale, Arizona home. The discovery sent shockwaves through the community, prompting an intense investigation. Despite exhaustive efforts, the case remained unsolved for years, leaving family and friends desperate for answers. In 2018, a breakthrough occurred when investigators utilized familial DNA, a method never before used in Arizona, to identify a suspect, Ian Mitchum. This pivotal evidence, however, sparked intense legal debates, challenging its admissibility in court. The Arizona Supreme Court's recent decision to allow this DNA evidence has not only reignited the pursuit of justice for Allison but also set a precedent that could influence future cases. In February 2015, Allison Feldman was found murdered in her Scottsdale home, her body discovered by her boyfriend. The crime scene revealed that she had died of head trauma, was found nude, and her body smelled of bleach, indicating an attempt to destroy evidence. Despite extensive investigations, including interviews and evidence collection, no immediate suspects were identified. The lack of leads led to public speculation and frustration within the community. Family and friends of Feldman expressed their grief and determination to seek justice, with her father stating, "When you lose a child, you've lost your future, and there's no way to get that back." Community members held vigils and rallies, emphasizing the collective desire for answers and closure. In the initial stages of the investigation into Allison Feldman's 2015 murder, detectives explored several theories, including the possibility of a robbery gone wrong, a stalker, or an assailant from her social circle. However, the crime scene, meticulously cleaned with bleach, yielded no physical evidence linking any suspects to the crime. This lack of evidence led to a series of false leads, with multiple individuals questioned and subsequently ruled out, causing mounting frustration among investigators and the community. In 2018, a significant breakthrough occurred when investigators employed familial DNA testing, a method not previously used in Arizona. DNA collected from the crime scene showed a familial match to a profile on record, leading authorities to Ian Mitchum, whose brother's DNA was in the system due to prior convictions. This innovative approach provided a crucial lead in the case. The use of familial DNA, however, sparked controversy. Legal debates ensued over the admissibility of such evidence, with questions about privacy and the scope of consent. The defense argued that the DNA testing exceeded the original consent parameters, leading to a protracted legal battle. The Arizona Supreme Court ultimately ruled that the DNA evidence could be used in court, setting a precedent for future cases and bringing the Feldman family closer to justice. In December 2024, the Arizona Supreme Court ruled that DNA evidence obtained from Ian Mitchum could be used in court, despite acknowledging that the initial warrantless sequencing violated his Fourth Amendment rights. The court determined that the evidence would have been inevitably discovered through lawful means, allowing the prosecution to proceed. This decision reignited debates over the ethical implications of familial DNA searches. Critics argue that such methods may infringe on privacy rights and could lead to over-reliance on genetic evidence, which, while powerful, is not infallible. As the trial progresses, these concerns remain at the forefront, highlighting the delicate balance between technological advancements in crime solving and the preservation of individual rights. The Allison Feldman case stands as a landmark moment in the use of familial DNA, not only in Arizona but across the United States. This advanced technology brought a grieving family closer to justice, highlighting the profound impact DNA evidence can have in solving cold cases. Yet, the controversy surrounding its use raises pressing ethical and legal questions that remain unanswered even as the justice system evolves. What are your thoughts on the use of familial DNA in criminal investigations? Should it be embraced as a tool for justice, or do its potential privacy concerns outweigh its benefits? Do you think DNA evidence alone should be enough to secure a conviction? Let us know your theories and opinions in the comments below. If you found this story compelling, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more true crime cases like this one. Be sure to check out our related videos, where we explore other groundbreaking cases solved by advancements in forensic science.